What's up guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Mario and Greme. Ito na yung PBA Week 3 recap. Hindi tayo masyado
Week three, no?
Hindi naman tayo Week 3 na, di ba? Hindi pa naman
Oh,
week
week
2.
four? I don't know.
We're
I
in week
lost
3.
track,
I
man.
feel like we're in week 3. Guys, let us know in the comments kung
Guys,
week
it
3 o
doesn't
week
matter.
4.
It doesn't
But it
matter.
doesn't matter. Di ba? Kasi we have to... Marami tayong mga topics na pinirepare para sa inyo. And
Graham goes first.
yes, Grem.
Hmm.
And we are going to discuss first. For me, Hinebra's 2-3 start. Ano sa tingin nyo yung nafe-feel nyo about this Filipino Cup, about this version of this Hinebra team, how it stacks up against the other teams dito sa PBA? For me, I feel like they're a fringe playoff contender. They do not have that same aura as before. Hindi ako believe sa Hinebra compared to the past seasons that I've seen them. But I don't know from both of you guys.
Yeah, but so what happened nung Saturday was so they took their belt off of their pants, right? Tapos they saw NLEX.
NLEX
They
lang
saw
yan ah.
NLEX
NLEX lang yan ah.
and
Hindi
just
TNT
started
ah.
and just started whipping just
I
started
hate
whipping it, dude.
I hate
First quarter
I
pa lang, di
hate
ba? It was
doing
11 to
I hate
26. Like, wala na to. Papatayin
I
ko na
hate
tong
doing that.
tapa na to.
Sorry mo tuloy ako nasa middle.
Do you want to go first, Mario?
Honestly, bro, you can take most of this because I have a whole topic on my own later.
Mamaya
Uh,
di mo nakita yung topic, Gre. May topic
No, ako rin.
just
I'm
for
not
Mario.
interested in this game. I'm not interested in this game.
yeah,
Mario, you know
but
what? I'll go Mario.
go ahead.
Go.
I'm not really that invested in this game.
Yeah, they won
This
I
by
game is
told
30.
you.
game.
We're talking about the
I
2 and
know,
3.
I know.
Yeah.
But I told you that from after the San Miguel game, it's gonna be a lot easier for Hinebra. Kasi nakalaban nila man Magnolia, Meralco, TNT, and San Miguel. Yun yung first four games nila eh.
Yeah,
And then
okay.
from that point, Converge na lang mabigat. Who lost to San Miguel, and we're gonna talk about that. Um, I'm expecting them to go on a big run. Like let's say they lose to Converge if I'm using my head, then they'll win what 7 of their next 8, 6 of their next
Wow.
7, something like that.
Pwede.
Yeah,
Best case
it's
scenario.
very
Best case
yeah,
scenario.
using my newly shaved head. I'll that's very possible. Like unless you're a Ginebra hater who wants me out of the pod,
Oh my
there
goodness.
is a
It's okay.
big
Your
chance
cult
that
got you,
Ginebra can
Graham.
do
Your
that.
cult's here.
Yeah, there's a big chance that Ginebra will do that.
Bro,
So
that comment came 3 videos ago. Let it go, man.
Yeah, you still
what do you mean? We haven't come on, man. We haven't recorded since that day. But against NLEX winning by 30,
Hmm.
I won't put too much value in that. Again, Japet Aguilar, when the front line is not that thick, girth.
Hey, Brandon
Sorry.
Ramirez is thick, bro.
Hey, don't get me started with thick.
Oh,
Is that
By the way, hey, if you guys really want us to do the face card episode of the PBA, we will do it. We just need 50 comments in this video. Just 50 comments. Just sabihin nyo lang na you want the face card episode and we will do it. We will do it. Okay, I'm not
sila mag-isa.
wholeheartedly in favor of that. Like these two guys also want to do it. They just don't want to admit it. But
Walang
see
gusto
the
gumawa
see
nun,
the
bro.
but
whoa, whoa, whoa,
we'll do
whoa.
it. We'll do it.
Oh, here we go
Just
again, bro. You know the
last time we
lies
had
usually come at the end of the video,
last
not the
time we
start.
had 35
Kala ko
and
ba you bring
yung
sense
Twitch
and
nasa dulo na ng
objectivity?
comment. Yeah. Last
Kalokohan
time
tong
35 comments nasa dulo na ng episode namin yung na-bring up. Now binibring up ko sa umpisa pa lang. 50 comments, we'll do the face card episode. But man, Chapet Aguilar had 25 points. That's great. That is really really great. Like we a lot of people think we hate Japet Aguilar. We're just not big fans of Japet Aguilar's. But when he plays good, we give him the credit. He was also plus 25, by the way. And Stephen Holt, thank you, Coach Tim Cone, for allowing Stephen Holt to shoot 13 times in this game.
Bro, I
Because
don't even think it's a Coach Tim thing. I think it's a
It's
Stephen
him.
Holt
It's a
thing.
him thing. It's
no,
a him
no,
thing.
I don't think he runs plays for Stephen Holt.
Bro, it's
Why
because
don't
Stephen
you?
Holt doesn't want to shoot the ball.
And I don't believe Stephen Holt doesn't want to shoot the ball as much as RJ Barrientos wants to shoot the ball. Like sa Terra Firma, man, he was one of their go-to guys, di ba? Stephen Holt. He's taking a lot of shots. He's driving the ball dito para nagiging
Oh,
spot
sila
up
ni
shooter
Wami.
lang siya eh. Di ba? Hey, we're gonna get there in a second. But man, di ba? He had 20 plus 24 the plus minus. The starters really, really played well for Ginebra. And then unti-unti lang, Jeremiah Gray, again, he's consistent. He's not
I like
excellent,
him.
but he
Yeah,
is consistent.
I like it.
He's still not the Jamie Malonzo replacement that that we want him to be. But man, he's becoming a steady 2 or 3 for Inebra. So not
This
too
guy
much
was
stock
about
on
to
this
say.
game.
This guy was about to say he's about to be a steal.
He's a
I
Hey,
heard
about
it.
Sunny still, man, only played 5 minutes. I don't know what happened, but
I
good
can
just
tell you what
coach
game
happened.
Tim
from
making the right
good game from
decisions,
the
man.
starters. Bro, I'm telling you, Sunny is still. If there are still Sunny Steel stocks, I'll buy them all. I
Oh,
like that guy. I really like
this
that guy.
guy.
Who are you higher on? I know this is not really a UAAP episode, but who are you higher on? Sonny Estil or Luis Pablo?
LP9.
LP9 man, just
He's an LP9.
LP9 man. I
If
just see more
LP9 goes to
potential.
Ginebra, will you be happy?
He
Man,
would die. He
man.
would die on the spot.
Oh,
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 Dude,
oh,
that
oh.
groan was
oh!
kind of
Don't say
mad,
that.
bro.
Don't say that,
That
Mario.
groan
Don't
was
say
kind
that.
of crazy, Graham. He went,
Oh,
yeah,
Ah, ah.
that
oh,
groan, that groan, save it for the haircut.
man. No, no, no. Actually, you know what? I'll retract. Sunny Steel is already in my team. So
Mm.
I'll go with Sunny Steel. I really like that guy, but he only played 5 minutes. Ralph Ko, by the way, hey, he remembered how to to shoot and score.
Yeah.
Once again.
is it
Um,
Ralph Ko remembering how to shoot and score, or is it Coach Tim remembering, oh nga pala, may Ralph Ko ako?
man, see
Marunong
the
pala to.
double standards. Stephen Holt, it's Stephen Holt's fault na hindi siya
Yes,
tumitira.
yes.
Ralph Ko is Coach Tim's fault. Like,
Bro, bro, yes. Okay, I can explain this to you. I can explain this to you. Stephen Holt gets 35 minutes plus every game. No
Mm.
matter what it is. He gets 35 minutes plus per game. Ralph Koo in this game had 13 against NLEX. You know how many he had against them? The site's down, so I can't tell you. But I bet it's lower. But
against San
Wait,
Miguel.
the not down. It's here. I have the
it's
same.
not, it's not
Working.
showing me the stats.
It's okay,
Huh?
man.
We
Don't
have it.
go on
Ginebra and
incognito, man.
Lex.
No,
Don't
Ginebra
go on
SMB.
incognito,
Press
man.
the Ginebra SMB.
No, I don't think he
Ayan,
played
some
against Inebra. I don't think he played against SMB. I watched that
Exactly
game.
my point, dude. It's a coach. I think yung kay Ralph Koo is a coach Tim thing. Na
mm,
he isn't
I
sure when
get
to
you.
use Ralph. Si
I get you.
Stephen, he always uses Stephen. It's just up to Stephen Holt if he wants to shoot the ball or not. Yung kay Ralph, if given the opportunity, Ralph will shoot. Yung kailangan lang is the opportunity.
Manny,
That's
how
how.
many times did Nico, parang die when Ralph Koo had no one in front of him or even beside him and
he
he
would pass
doesn't
it.
shoot the ball?
Sayang.
Di ba?
Sayang nga
When was that?
yun.
What
Eh.
game was this?
May mga nangyari.
He's a
Previous conference, Mario, di ba? We were saying
Previous
na bakit
conference.
hindi
yeah,
siya
bro.
tumitira.
Remember
Wide open
nanonood
ka
tayo
for
sa
three.
Araneta, the last time went to Araneta against San Miguel, di ba? Hindi siya tumitira talaga. So it's Stephen Holt, man, pag reinforce conference, especially pag nandiyan si RHJ, I'll get it. I'll forgive you because you put your life on the line against Ronde Hollis Jefferson. Pero itong All Filipino, man, it's yours. Wala na si Jamie. And then wala rin si JB. I mean, literally wala because even Meralco, you cannot
Mm.
contact him. But
Dude,
you know,
this guy. You know, we
this is
told you
yours.
what we were gonna discuss beforehand. We said we weren't gonna talk about it, and
No,
you
hey,
still brought it
we
up.
won't talk about it. I just mentioned, but we won't talk about it. That's fine. That happens in life. But yeah, again, I won't put too much stock on this game. I'm just concerned if your NLEX, man. Robert Bolick, 4 points, four.
Yeah, and 7 attempts only.
Man,
Hindi
what happened?
acceptable yun.
Yeah,
Hindi acceptable yun. Like,
yeah,
you're the
I
best
know.
player. You're only gonna score. You're gonna attempt 7 only. Mas marami
Yeah,
pang attempt si
Cyrus.
Policarpio. Mas marami pang attempt
yeah,
si Bahio. I mean, magaling si JB,
yeah,
but I'm just saying na mas marami pa silang attempts. Diba dapat usually you have more attempts than those two combined?
yeah.
Hey yo,
But
FBI, FBI. Yeah,
The CIA,
hey,
the
hey,
the
FBI,
hey,
CIA,
hey, hey, hey,
FBI.
hey,
PAGCOR.
hey! Don't even go there. Do
No, I'm just
not
kidding.
even go there.
But for me, Ginebra's one good run away from making me a believer, like what Graham said. They're one good run away from making me believe that they can compete. But if they don't give that run, I think they're just gonna stay the same way. I think they'll still be below TNT. I still think they're gonna be below
San
Junmar
Miguel.
and SMB. I think they're
Mm.
gonna be below Converge. until they're able to do this consistently, guys, nanambak din sila against TNT. And we were like, yeah, see? This is real Ginebra basketball. And then they decided to lose two in a row to, who did they lose? Meralco and then
Meralco
to
San Miguel.
SMB.
Which tinambakan nila Meralco.
Tinambakan nila yung Meralco para matambakan sila sa dulo.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, yun talaga FBI. Pero, yung sa SMB, I think that was just a good game, if I'm being honest. That was
Yeah.
just fun. That was a
Could have
fun
gone either
game.
way.
Yeah. So, it's consistency na lang para sa akin yung sa Ginebra. But for them to continue to be consistent, I think they need to define talaga yung guy. They have to define the guy who will take the most shots. And I believe Graham is right on this. It should be Stephen Holt.
Yeah.
Kasi Scotty, we love we love Scotty, pero di talaga siya scorer eh. It's not his thing, man. Scotty is an intangibles guy. He had 6 rebounds and 11 assists against NLEX. Also shot the ball 7 times, by the way, but he had 12 and Robert had 4. But this is the thing about it. Scotty's not really a scorer, dude. Stephen Holt, I think, is meant to be a scorer talaga. So I really wouldn't mind Stephen Holt taking that main option role na.
Yeah, same. Excuse me. You just want to piggyback on Stephen Holt once again. Man, do we have to, is there a skill that we have to unlock? Alam mo yung pag may laro ka sa PlayStation, like kailangan mo may bayaran para ma-unlock mo yung skill. Is there a skill like that of Stephen Holt that we have to, we still are yet to see, di ba? He has all the potential, man. Big body, agile, can shoot. So what are you
Face
smirking
card.
about, man?
Face ka.
Nah, I really not really that
Kinikilig na naman si Graham.
big of
He lost his train of thought,
fan
Mario.
of
Tingnan
his
mo.
face card. But man, Stephen Holt and RJ Barrientos, they have to take over, and I'm big on RJ going back to being a bench, or to be that.
Pero
return
natural
man.
siya sa 6-man, no? Na kinda ibababad mo. Mas bagay.
For this
Oo.
group, yeah. Sa Terra Firma, no, he should be a starter. But dito sa Ginebra, he has to come off the bench. And then if they go on a run, Mario, the only thing that we can critique them for is yung pinakita nila against the main contenders, yung Magnolia, yung Meralco, yung San Miguel. Na parang you did not beat them in the regular season. But if they win against Converge, man, I'm telling you,
Mas magiging hopeful ka. Kasi right now, medyo on
Yeah.
the fence pa kayo.
I'll have more props. I have more props if they beat Converge.
Oh my gosh.
And
As if naman cool.
I know people who are, a million times richer than me may not be happy if that happens. But man, if they beat Converge, there will be some props in this episode. Which is next weekend. It's gonna be next Sunday, on the 15th.
Uy, nood tayo. Pero depends kung saan yung laro. It has to be in Metro Manila. It has to be in QC. Or mawari na. Araneta lang.
It's a Sunday. It's ano kasabay siya na UAAP but
so and ay hindi sa Ateneo Lasal kami kung ganun.
I know. It's 14th. It's a Friday sa Araneta.
So next week pa.
Ito yung sinasabi ko, yeah. Oo nga. And then Magnolia and Blackwater.
Then we can watch. Then we can watch. If it's Araneta.
Hey guys, you guys now know where we're gonna be at next week Friday. Y'all know it. We'll be paying for our tickets because we don't have passes. But you guys will know where we are and say hi. Don't be scared.
Pa-picture kayo kay kay Graham.
Especially mga galit na galit sa akin sa comment na, tanggalin mo na.
Biglang pa-picture kay Graham. Okay ka pala, Graham.
Dude, this guy cannot let comments go.
But I'm fine with people calling us biased or everything, but if they call us, words that are out of bounds, like Kupal or something, we don't.
Like Kalbo.
Kalbo is fine, man. Kalbo is hot.
Like Kalbo. Doon siya na-trigger.
You touched on Converge and we have to talk about it. All right. Take the cameras
The Converge. Hey man, the Converge versus San Miguel Beermen. Ang tumatak sa akin dun is the Wami Chongson who won GDL.
Alright.
Mario, come on.
I have a script ready for this. I knew this was gonna happen once the game.
I'm recording this with 2 phones, man.
Dalawa. Yabang to. Dalawa tuloy po no.
I'm recording this with 2 phones.
So, I, Mario Manlutak of the Sixth Man Podcast, would like to formally apologize to Mr. Wami Tongson.
Yeah, screen record, guys.
Oh, wait lang, I have like two more sentences. You played very well against one of my favorite players, Juan Gomez de Leano, and maybe you are a much better player than I give you credit for. I hope
Mm.
you continue your success with SMB, but I hope when you go against Ginebra, you play terribly. Again, congratulations on the excellent performance, and I hope to see you in the arena. Thank you.
Okay. Okay na.
And,
The world is healing, man.
The world is healing.
dude, when I saw I watched the fourth quarter and
The
I
fourth
saw him go
quarter.
off. I was like,
Damn.
damn.
He's actually good in this quarter. He's actually good in this game.
Playing so well right now. I can't speak. I can't fight it. He's playing so well. And he did it against Juan, bro.
Yeah,
It
against one
hurts
pa.
Bro, it hurts me a little extra that he did it against Juan because everyone knows na medyo mataas ako kay Juan.
Medyo
But yeah,
binata
dude.
niya si Juan, no? Veteran moves niya. Kita
Yeah,
mo na,
man.
na Juan's still a
Grabe
rookie.
yung
We
kalawan
forgot
ni
na ho.
Wami. Dude,
Mm-mm.
can't even be mad, bro. He has one of the prettiest jump shots. Not even a jump shot, it's a set shot. But he has one of the prettiest set shots in
Pang
the
2K.
league.
Ganda nga
Talking
yun.
about
Oh, as
Wami
in,
or
like,
one?
sobrang suabe lang. It's so
Mm.
calm. You
Is it one
know,
or Wami you're talking about?
Wami.
Wami, Wami.
Okay, yeah.
Juan's jump shot's fine. But then, like, Wami's just super. I feel like it's just a nice textbook shot, especially for somebody na hindi ganun katangkaran. So, a lot of his strength comes from the middle of the body. So, random ass bio lesson, by the way.
Mm.
But, dude, shout out to him. He played a great game. Converged very easily. Probably could have taken that game with the momentum, riding alongside it. But Huami hit some pretty nasty shots. I think he hit two threes and three
Yeah.
mid-range shots, if I'm correct.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
If I'm correct, yeah.
Insane fourth quarter.
Yeah, all in the fourth quarter, all in times when they needed it. I'm hands up on this one. He played a great game. Congratulations, Mr. Chongson.
May script nga eh.
I am
Is it
so happy. I am so happy to hear that. Um, yeah, I can't agree more. He parang hinahanap niya mismo si Juan di ba? Sa matchup.
Weird, no?
If I'm
Hinahanap niya si
against,
Juan considering Juan's a two-way guy. He's not
alam mo
just
yung
an
si,
offensive
si
mind.
Kyrie, hinahanap niya talaga si Steph and it goes the other way around too. Pag
But Steph's
nagmamatchup
not
sila
two-way
dalawa.
player. Like Juan's can't stop a
Juan's
player
an okay
pero iba.
defender di ba? But he was just in the zone. And yun yung nakakatakot talaga sa San Miguel. Like, for the first three quarters, it was Junmar as usual. It was Perez, it was Tautua. Even Jeron Teng had his moments. Pero pagdating nung fourth, ibang tao na naman yung kumana. Like just when you thought you had them, yung San Miguel, in a dogfight, no. Wami Chongson really stepped up in the fourth quarter. It's weird he's -3. It's probably because of the way, nung pinapasok siya in the first half. Um, lumalamang yung Converge. But man, you can, it's really hard to beat San Miguel. I'm pretty surprised paano sila tinalo ng ano eh. So tumalo sa kanila, was it NLEX no? Tsaka yung Phoenix.
Parang NLEX
Like
just plays well against SMB. Alam ni Marian for the past few conferences na gano'n na lagi.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Galit,
So,
galit yung NLEX sa SMB for some reason.
I
Pag
mean,
sa Hinebra, they don't know how to play.
man, the MVP camp is galit sa ano sa SMB. Like they always shut down their doors except Meralco in that lone conference. But yeah, sobrang hirap nilang talunin. It's another different guy. Last week against Ginebra, si Chris Rosales yung pumatay. Now it's Wami Chongson. But if you're Converge, you lost by 6 points in a game where San Miguel outscored you by 5 in the fourth quarter. So that means talagang hirap na hirap pa rin sila sa inyo. And for Converge naman, it's Shawnee Winston who stepped up in this game. The most, what did he have, like 20? Yeah, he had 20, di ba? Si Shawnee Winston. And then yung twin tower ni Arana and Baltazar was also great. Ang ganda ng interior passing nila, man, ni Baltazar and ni Arana.
Yeah, I agree.
That's why I'm really confident that this team is not too far from a championship. So,
Saka si Balti, bro, na-enjoy ko si Balti na he's willing to shoot the outside shot na
oh,
talaga.
naka 3 points yan in the fourth.
Naka 3 points talaga. May shooting naman talaga si Balti, bro. I like that he's really adding it to his game na kasama na talaga sa offense niya yung pagtira ng tres sa labas. Kasi it creates a lot of more space for Justin in the post.
Mm.
But yeah, I think Converge, Graham touched on this already kanina. They're there. They're a very complete
Mhm.
team. Uh one more shooter. One more shooter for me.
May Archie
Uh
pa at Larry Moyang na dagdag eh, no? Grabe
yeah,
tong
dude,
team na
Archie
to
and
eh.
JLC. Dude, JLC is there
Uy,
also.
Oh yeah,
Concepcion also
JLC is
played
here
well
na.
kahapon.
Yeah. Muyang, JLC, Concepcion. Do they even have
John
Jake
Lloyd Cruz?
Moegilos? Uh,
Oh
who?
my.
JLC?
Yeah.
JLC is not
Clemente.
I know,
John
I
Lloyd.
got it. I'm
Ah, kay kalo ko.
just
Dude,
messing with you. John Lloyd
uh,
Cruz. John Lloyd Cruz is the most popular JLC in the Philippines, man. So,
hey,
don't.
I have a question. I know this has nothing to do with basketball, but
Mm.
sino yung ka-love team ni JLC dati? Was it Bea
Si Bea
Alonso?
Bea
Alonso, yeah.
Alonso. Mm.
It was
And
Bea
then si
Alonso,
Sarah
right?
Geronimo.
And then Sarah. Okay, okay,
Mm.
okay. Thank you. I just kind of forgot about that.
Bata pa yan guys, so bata pa kasi si Mario.
No, I used to watch his telenovelas. What's that thing called?
What's that?
Magpakailanman.
One
Ano
more
pa?
chance?
Hindi, hindi, hindi.
What the heck?
Is that not
Pakailan man is with Mel Chanco, brother.
oh, was it not him?
Layo nun na Melchang.
Was it not him? Dude, there was one with him and I think it was Sam Milby also. Sorry, my mom was a big fan kasi. Wait, going back to the
Yeah,
game.
going back, yeah.
I apologize. Yeah.
Na-shutdown sila Alex Stockton, 211, 2 for 11, GDL's 2 for 10, Baltazar
Yun yung
was 5 for
kagandahan, bro.
17.
Yun yung kagandahan and that's one of the reasons na ang hirap din i-trade nung isa kay Stockton and
Mm.
and Winston. Like when one guy is struggling, the other guy will pick up the slack. And ito yung
Yeah.
nangyari with Converge with Winston scoring 20. Diba? So, yun yung mahirap eh. Mahirap i-trade yung isa kasi if mag-off night nga, then wala nang pick up unless you miraculously make some way for Mikey Williams, which
Mm.
at this point is I don't know. I don't know what's the status with Mikey
Yeah,
Williams at
wala
this
nang may
point.
alam yung status na parang 3 taon na tayo naghihintay sa status niya.
Maybe Mikey doesn't know the status of Mikey Williams.
Ano ba nangyari?
That's
Yeah,
good. That's
but
good in Nebra though.
oh my goodness.
Anyway, we're now moving on to the TNT versus Meralco game and what was arguably a really exciting game na enjoy natin. We were talking
You're
about
just
it sa
gonna
group
let
chat.
Graham. You're just gonna let Graham let go. He's gonna let Graham get the
Mikey?
last say on the Mikey thing.
I mean,
when he
wala naman
went
tayo.
when he whispered into the mic and went looks good in a Denver jersey though. You're just gonna let him.
I am choosing to protect Graham from his bash. Can we move on to
I've
the
seen
next?
I've seen a Photoshop, man.
Oh my
Parang
God.
ito mga Laker fans na to, mga delusional.
Yeah,
Lahat na lang ng
Yeah,
free
yeah.
agent, Laker jersey. Oh,
Hey,
anyway,
man, at least
Meralco,
I ain't no Chiefs
TNT.
fan. I ain't no Chiefs fan, bro.
Dodgers fan, Lakers fan.
This guy's a
Ano pa
Dodgers,
ba?
Lakers,
Ano pa ba?
Chiefs.
Ano team mo sa EuroLeague?
Supports
Ano team mo sa
Ateneo.
EuroLeague ba yun?
Bro, FC Barcelona.
FC
He's a
Barca ka ba?
Yeah.
Ryukyu Golden Kings, defending
Ryukyu
champions ng
Golden
B-League.
Cruz fan. Daik Aces fan. So.
That's ano.
That's
You're a true baller.
that's a
You're a true
different-
baller
that's
if
a-
you like the
yun.
Nike Aces.
If you all want to talk about the FBI, like,
Check
bro,
out the Nike Aces.
who the heck just messaged me?
Yeah, Meralco TNT, right?
Yeah, Meralco
The
TNT.
Meralco TNT game. That was a very confusing game. Yan yung ano, diba? TNT, Meralco was leading by 20 something, I think.
Mm.
Bro, for the second straight game, ginawa nila yun. Yung lamang silang malaki and then they
Tapos
played
nahabol
with fire.
sila. You're up by 20.
Diba? Against Magnolia. Then they got away with CJ Cancino, got hurt against TNT.
Yeah. I like CJ Cancino a lot, by
Pero
the way, dude.
nasaktan nga.
Dude, you Meralco fans, you guys should be so happy you have CJ Cancino. He's a literal baller. But I think what we need to talk about talaga is yung that call at the end. There were two calls. I want you guys to I need your opinion on sa two calls na to. The first one was the unsportsmanlike foul on Bong Quinto. The one when they called Bong for
Sumundot.
they called Bong for an unspo against Henry Galinato. Is that an unspo? Is that an unspo?
For me, it's a normal
Guys?
foul. Nung nangyari, kaya nagulat ako biglang, bakit 2 free throws in possession?
Yeah, I was quite surprised na 2-3 in possession yun. Shout out Henry Galinato though.
Mm.
Bro, another
Clutch.
UP Fighting Maroon. He's been playing well, huh? In
Mm.
the absence of Poy Eram, he's been playing pretty well. Nice pickup
Yeah.
for TNT. But yeah, going
For
back to that, Graham, what do you think?
foreshadowing, brother.
Go ahead.
Foreshadowing. Henry Galinato. Um, if we will do the face card
Oh my
episode,
God.
like top 10, he'll be there. If we'll do a snake draft, like point guard to center, he'll be
How do
there.
you? Okay, wait. Let's just try to talk about it. You know what?
Snake
It's
draft?
fun.
Ano
How do you
magdraft ba?
think this
What do
is
you mean
gonna
point
happen,
guard to
man?
center? Point guard to center. All right,
Point
we'll do
guard
a
to
snake
center
draft.
ka.
Nico goes first, Mario, and then me.
So
Point.
it's a draft.
We
I
can
thought
do it that way, man. We can
uh,
plan for it. I'm just saying Henry Galinato's name will be
I'll
mentioned.
be sick
He'll
on that
be
recording.
drafted. He will be drafted, man.
alam mo yung dati pag may draft tayo, Nico brings out the Canva,
Ay,
Mm.
meron palang draft. Sorry.
for the face
Naayos.
card episode. He's not even gonna
Yes,
humor you.
sira yung Canva eh. Down yung website eh. And then you can see Graham checking. Okay naman yung website ah.
I have a
Baka
friend
sa'yo
who
okay.
works at
Akin hindi eh.
Canva, man. I'll make things happen. I have a friend who works at Canva. But go ahead.
Oh, now you have after we've been looking for a sponsor for the last 20 years. Now is when you decide to give us to give us a connection to Canva.
Let's break glass in case of emergency contact.
Oh
Oh
goodness.
my God. Anyway,
But
But yeah,
yeah,
it's not a flagrant foul. It's not a flagrant foul.
unsportsmanlike.
Oh, unsportsmanlike foul. Like,
Yeah.
what are you doing, PBA?
It's not. I don't think it was either. I was surprised by it. Okay, now that that's out of the way. Second question. Offensive foul called on Chris Newsome. Dun sa step back niya.
It's phony
Ay,
baloney.
tama.
Yeah.
Tama ba?
Diba? Hinawakan siya.
No.
Yun nga yun, yung
Yeah,
challenge nila.
tama.
Tapos
Step
sumipa raw
back.
siya.
Yeah, sumipa raw si Chris.
natural
And then
motion yung time na yun eh. For me natural motion yung...
there were people who were saying na it's should be a foul on Pugoy. So what do you guys
Oo.
think on it?
Yeah. Siyempre na foulan po. Like, the the referees, man, ni-review nyo na eh. Ni-review nyo na, hindi nyo pa tinawagan yung foul ni Pugoy. Di ba? Nauna yun eh. Nauna yun na hinawakan niya muna, hinatak niya muna si Newsome bago sumipa si Newsome na, okay, let's say offensive foul talaga kay Newsome. Didn't Pugoy's foul count na violation? Para, hey, bago sumipa si Newsome, foul na si Pugoy. So what happened? No call yun? Di ba? I
Yeah.
find it weird na hindi nila binalikan yung play na yun. It was staring them right in their face.
That
Tapos
happens to them
sinayaan
a
niya
lot,
lang.
no? That happens to them a lot, man.
Yeah.
General ko yung na no? Na nadadali minsan.
Ni-review nyo na nga eh, di ba? Tapos hindi nyo
Yeah.
pa rin tinawagan si Pugoy. Like, that is a momentum, not even momentum, swinging. That's a game-turning point.
Yeah, game
From
changer
a
yun.
foul
That
to
was
an
a game.
offensive foul.
Yeah.
It was big for TNT. They got a lucky break right there. Again, I'm not a TNT hater. I'm just stating facts.
Yeah, but at the same time, man, Meralco, you have no business losing
20-point leads. If they didn't lose a
Yeah.
20-point lead, we won't be talking about this. It would just be another game na papasadahan natin. Like, hey, this guy played well. This guy played well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Ang bigat din, pero alam niyo, ang bigat din kasi nawala si CJ Cancino, man.
Yeah, of course.
He only played 15 minutes.
I don't think they'll lose that game with CJ Cancino.
Bro, he's really good at basketball, man. And he's added yung drive na sa laro niya. Dati kasi tira-tira lang yan sa labas.
May confidence siya sa tuhod niya ulit, Mario, because of the ACL injuries, 'di ba, sa college. Ngayon
true.
parang he trusts his body again eh.
That's true. And that's a super good thing. Not just for Meralco, but for PBA fans in general.
They need a new face. They need new stars to promote.
Yeah. And CJ could be one of them. I don't know if he's like Gilas level, pero
I don't think. But lakas ng Sockmed presence niya. Sobrang lakas ni CJ din. They should
CJ?
capitalize on that one. Yeah, sobrang lakas ng Sockmed presence niya. 'Di ba, Graham?
Yeah,
After
naghahanap nga ako ng ceramic coating or paint protection sa kotse. Nakita ko si CJ Cancino, siya yung ginamit na parang poster boy.
Talaga? Siya yung ginawa ko sa
Talaga?
boy?
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah, man. So,
I know.
but I know I won't go
Nawala na si Graham.
to that shop because that's hella expensive marketing. So yeah, he's really good. I don't know the severity of his injury, man, but
May news na ba? May nakita na ba kayo?
Fan. Just
He didn't play in the EASL
I
also.
haven't.
So,
Medyo,
but to be fair, it's just the EASL.
Oh.
By the way, Meralco,
Wala si Brownlee,
essential priority.
Meralco,
Bills of pneumonia daw.
yeah, I saw the pneumonia thing. I don't know. Do you believe it?
Benefit of the doubt. I
Yeah,
guess.
benefit of
Sige.
the doubt.
Okay.
Anything Brownlee says, man, I believe it. Told you, man, if it's a one-way street, if
It's a
it's a
one-way
one-way
street.
street, I'll enter
You
Brownlee
choke on
plays.
that street, no? You choke on that
One
street.
one Pacman party list. I voted for one Pacman party list because of Justin Brownlee. So I mean,
He wasn't
Malala ka.
even running. He wasn't even running. He wasn't even running.
bro, he
Bro.
promoted it. No, there was Araneta, one Pacman.
Ikaw yung mga target ng mga ganong party list, Brad.
Oh my God. Oh
Man,
my
I'm telling you,
God.
if you want to get
Oh.
my business, Justin Brownlee is the key, man.
Oh my God, dude. You stress me out so much.
Kanina pa yan, no? Sa last recording.
He's
Yeah.
he's in my top 5 favorite athletes of all time.
How about face card? You gotta put him number 1, right? Number 1 mo lalagay si
Brownlee
Brownlee.
face card, not really. Again, I've added what was that? Objectivity
Objectivity.
and consistency in this part.
Kalokohan ka.
Justin
In a
Brownlee's
draft,
not.
I'll be so real, Nico. Since he explained that it's a draft, I'm kind of curious about it. Like,
Like we
I
can do
thought,
a snake draft. Parang point guard to center,
Ba't
15,
ganun? Ba't
15
may position?
people
Ang
to
hirap
draft.
nun, bro. Bakit? Ba't may...
So do your research. Follow them on Instagram or stalk them on Instagram. Look at their face cards.
Ay, I have no time eh. Sira.
Wow.
sila yung IG niya.
Yung canvas sira. Yung IU sira. Pati yung Zoom ata medyo hindi okay nung sa time of recording
Man,
ngayon eh.
we really have to do that episode. But Meralco,
Mm-mm.
the thing that makes me confident about them is babalik si CJ Cancino. But man,
Yeah.
losing those 20-point leads, that's not a cool thing to do. You're not Ginebra. Like Ginebra historically loses those leads. Meralco, no. But again, we cannot let go of this episode without TNT. Just
Yeah.
hanging in there. Just hanging in there. As
Next thing you know, they're in the finals. Next thing you know,
Yeah.
they're just right
next
there
thing you
again.
know, they are in the finals. And this all Filipino Cup. Again, doing this without Jason Castro and Poy Eram. It was Reynam Batak's best game of the conference. Of Tana again was spectacular. So
Bro,
it's just really hard to beat them.
I
Alalon
think
is starting
while-
to find his groove, man.
Dude, I think while Ray was injured, all he did was practice 4-point shots. Because
Oh.
he doesn't miss from there anymore.
Grabe, no?
He loves the 4, man.
Ayun.
Hinahanap ni
Even
Ray.
against who did the game? Against Converge, when it was TNT Converge.
Yeah, out of
Ray was
time.
hitting fours like they were layups. I think that's what he practiced on. And again, this is a 4-point line thing of the PBA. People may love it, people may hate it, but it's here, and Reynam Batak's using it.
TNT for sure.
Nandito na eh.
loves it,
Sabi,
man.
dito naman boss eh. Gawitin ko na.
Yeah, exactly. Meralco at least is finding their groove now for the Meralco fans out there. But at the start of the conference, we said now we weren't sure why they were playing so badly or whatever. But now medyo kita na natin na they're kind of calming down. They found their system na again. So that's good for Meralco fans out there.
Bro, alam mo yung pwedeng bumalik sa kanila sa dulo? Pag buhol-buhol yung standings, yung talo nila sa Titan, man, in the first game. Bigat yun. So, look at the standings right now. Ilan na ba yung talo ng Meralco? I think 3, if I'm not mistaken, di ba? So, Meralco is 4. They're 3 and 4, man.
Meralco? Yeah, but they've won but they've won a few good. They've won 2 or 3 in a
Yung
row
mga
now.
tinatalo nila, quality teams.
Yeah, the teams that they've beaten Ginebra, they've beaten
Magnolia.
Magnolia. Who's the other one they beat? Sorry.
I don't know the other team that they defeated, but Inlex.
Blackwater.
Blackwater ba? Oh, they
Okay.
lost to NX. Nga pala yung Kevin na last game ni Nico where he was he was half naked when we recorded.
Hey, save that for the Patreon, bro.
But
Save that.
man, low-key, man, we talk about the UAAP, maganda yung standings. The PBA,
Maganda rin yung standings
PBA,
actually.
ganda rin, ha? Ganda rin. Other than a couple of teams that we do
Under
not
than
take
Titan.
seriously.
Hey,
From From Blackwater below, we do not take them seriously
Blackwater
anymore.
kasi okay din eh. Mga sina Panopio, Christian David, Bearfield.
Bro, Blackwater is one of those teams. It's like Phoenix, bro. The
Na,
Told you.
pieces are
the pieces
the
are
pieces
there eh.
are there. It's just figuring it out, dude.
Bata kasi, puro bata eh.
Yeah, and I
I
know Graham
think I
isn't a
think
fan
the
of
top
Phoenix.
eight.
So.
Yeah, no, I'm not. I think the top eight is defined at this point, which is
The-
who we thought of at the start of the conference anyway. But Magnolia, as usual, at top of the team standings at this moment in time, and then
Magnolia is
we'll
really
see in
good,
the
man.
future.
That's your guy, our guy, Javi GDL is there. Tas ang ganda talaga na, even Chris Kuhn, ganda ng ang ganda ng first game niya with Magnolia.
Oh nga pala, no,
He
napunta
played
na nga pala
na.
dun
He
si
played na against Phoenix.
You're
Alright,
right, he
fine,
did play
alright.
against
He did
Phoenix.
play against Phoenix. And
You're right.
Coach LA gave him 21 minutes. Diba? May bagong pasok, 21 minutes for you. Alam mo, this
Tapos
guy
sasabihin
loves
ako,
his Athenians eh. This guy
guys, he
loves his
only had
UAP
guys,
players.
Chris Kuhn only had 5 points. Aris Junicius better.
Ah, man.
We only had 5, man. Honestly, wait lang. Before we go, I
Yeah.
want to address that thing about Aris and Chris Kuhn. We know Aris is a good player, guys. Alam naman
Mm.
natin na may laro si Aris. But I think we all, the three of us, agree talaga na Chris Kuhn is gonna be a better player than him. Um, Chris is 25, 24, 25. Aris is 30. You know what I
Mm.
mean? They traded an older dude for somebody who's kind of young naman at this point. And there's a reason Chris Kuhn was picked fourth and um what is called and Aris was picked ninth in his draft, dude.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Me and Graham had Chris Kuhn low. We had him at 8, 9, 10. But if I'm being so honest with you, I only had him there because I wanted him to go to Ginebra.
Para lang
But
mag-drop.
like the video's done anyway from the draft one. I'll be honest about it. So yeah, dude, again, he's a good player. The 5 points I think isn't his best showing, but he'll get better as time progresses. Talaga.
I agree. That's why Magnolia is really really scary in this conference. And again, they have the intro voice label, but that's with Coach Chito. We haven't seen him in the playoffs with Coach LA, and that makes me worry about Magnolia's chances of winning the title. But again, I stand with what I said. Converge will win the championship before them, but that's a story for another day.
Yeah.
Good week for the PBA, especially Nebra won. But I ain't celebrating. I ain't celebrating. It's not really that it's not really that big of a win. Upset
Yeah.
alert. Upset alert.
All right. All right.
Saturday. Saturday. We look at the team standings. It doesn't make much sense, but I think TNT beats Magnolia. I think Magnolia
You
will be
feel
favored
so?
in that
Feel
game.
ko feel ko Magnolia might sneak one against TNT. Yung magugulat na lang tayo na Magnolia won by 10. Mga ganun. Hindi yung
How was that an upset alert? I think
hindi,
Guy,
it's
look
too.
at the
I feel like they're
standings.
fairly matched, Graham. It looks like a
Yeah, I
finals
don't think there's an
matchup.
upset in
It's
any
gonna be a
point.
good game. That's a
Ano
game
to?
na
Wednesday?
Hey, yo nga pala,
wait, kailan
4-1 sila
Saturday?
pareho. Kala ko 4-2 TNT. Alright, forget that upset alert. Oh, uh, Terra
Evenly matched up
Firma over
'yan.
Phoenix. Upset alert, man.
Oh
Talaga.
no.
Oh my God.
Yes.
No, hindi.
Wait.
Bro, why
Oh,
are you
next
looking
week
at
pa pala
this?
yun.
Why
Next
are
week
you
pa pala
looking
yun,
next
Vince.
week? There's a whole week of
Wednesday pa
games
pala yun.
pa.
No, because I cannot see eto, for sure. San Miguel over Magnolia. San
That's
Miguel
not an
over
Saan
upset
Magnolia.
patingin?
alert.
San Miguel
It's a,
versus
it's a
Magno.
schedule. It's a schedule. Man, look at the standings.
Bro, come
Ano
on,
ka ba?
man.
Wag mo i-base sa standings pag San Miguel. Alam mo
3 and
naman
2,
mga yan,
4 and 1.
Dude, remember,
nagpapainit lang yan.
SMB has Swami Chongson. Okay?
Ah, forget Junmar. They have Wami
Yeah,
Chongs.
guys, guys, I respect him and his abilities now. He's good now. Dude, that's not an upset alert. Either of the two teams winning on that game is not an upset alert. Ang talagang upset alert is if you tell me na NLEX beats Rain or Shine. Yun talaga upset alert ako
Upset
dun.
alert yun. Oo,
Yun
pagkatalo
upset
namin Rain
alert
or
ako
Shine.
dun, man.
It's possible,
Upset alert ako.
man, but I just don't feel like there's an upset as big as sorry. Yeah, upset alert, man. I look at the standings. From this point forward, upset alert means the team higher in the standings will lose to the team lower in the standings. And
Oh
in this case,
no.
it is San Miguel
Oh
being
no. Oh.
beating Magnolia on
Oh my God.
Friday in
Game
Inares,
hindi yun upset
Montalban.
alert. That's an evenly matched up alert.
So,
Wala.
so when UP beats NU, is that an upset alert?
Yes,
No
It's an
my
upset
God.
alert!
but I have to, kailangan siya panindigan eh. So,
Kailan ko siya panindigan. This guy just wants to stand by his principles na Mario. Sinabi ko na eh. Sige. Upset yun.
pagtaan.
UP and you.
I'm, I'm telling
The
you,
defending champions, by the way. The
Ginebra
defending
beating LX
champions.
was an upset
Actually,
yesterday.
sige, by your standards in.
That's an upset! That's the upset alert! They beat
Did you
them
look
by
at the
20!
standings? 4-1 versus 1-3. That's not an upset.
Oh my goodness,
Okay.
man.
I think we can end the podcast there, guys. Follow 5-star rating on Spotify. Like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. 6-month podcast here with Nico, Mario, and Graham. We'll have more recordings this week as long as something pops up.
Do
See you
not
all
forget
next
face
time.
card episode. Adios amigos.